Hi everyone, this is part 2 of how to use Bitable for the online animation maker. As we were on before, you could see we were at audio and we were previewing the different tracks that they had. If you decide you like one and you've previewed it, you can go ahead and select it by clicking that little circle over here, and then you're going to go ahead and click next preview video. You do have the option, if you have music on your computer that you would like to upload, you can click on upload a track instead, and you can click this arrow and it will pull up your files. You could upload a document, not a document, but an audio file that is already on your computer or on Google Drive. Okay, so say we're happy with our track that we selected. We're going to click next preview video. And usually this will take a minute to load, but you're going to click yes, preview video when it shows up. And then after it loads for a few minutes, this is what you'll see. You will have your video and how you made it. I'll just show you a minute of it for just a few seconds just to show you what we did. And then I stopped there with adding my stuff. So it just shows you what your video will look like. Just so you know, if you do not pay to upgrade, you will have these watermarks on your video. That's okay. Also, if you decide to upgrade, you can download your video and remove the watermarks. If you decide not to upgrade, you want to use the free version, you're going to go ahead and click on publish this video. And once you're there, you're going to go ahead, you should see your title. If you want to add a description down here, you can use your text box and type so. And then one thing you need to check over on the right, you need to check that your privacy is public if you want anyone to be able to see it. If you do not want that, you will go ahead and click on hidden. But for now, with the free version, it will automatically click on public. And then you're completely done unless you want to go back and edit the video. Once again, you cannot download the video unless you decide to upgrade. So right now, all you're going to do is you're going to click down here on this video link. You're going to double click until you are able to select it. Then you're going to right click. You're going to click copy. And you have your link where you can publish it. You can send your link in an email. You can post it on a website. You have your link ready to go. So when people do click on your link, what they will see is this. So we're going to do it. We're going to paste our link here. Well, me too. I don't think I copied it. Okay, copy. I'm going to do a new tab. We're going to paste it. And it will show you what your video will look like to everybody else. So here's our video, nice and big. They click it. This is what they will be able to see. So that is a little tutorial on how to use Bitable for your free animation online maker. Thank you.